Welcome to Mindsaurus.
Like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Mindsaurus quiz. Get ready to test your brain. There are 40 quiz questions. So are you ready? Let's start the quiz. Which fruit is the king of fruits? B. Mango. Which animal is the king of the jungle? B. Lion. Which planet is the red planet? C. Mars. Which is the largest planet? C. Jupiter. Which bird cannot fly? D. Penguin. Which animal is the tallest? B. Giraffe. Which vegetable grow in roots underground? A carrot. What is France famous for? B. Eiffel Tower. Which organ do humans use to breathe? D. Lungs. Which shape has 3 sides? A triangle. Which planet has rings? C. Saturn. Which fruit is yellow and curved? C. Banana. Which animal lives in water? D. Whale. Which continent has the Sahara Desert? B. Africa. Which is the fastest land animal? A cheetah. Which is a dairy product? C. Cheese. Which month has 28 or 29 days? B. February. Which of the planet is known as the red planet? A Mars. Which insect makes honey? Which country is famous for pizza? C. Italy. Which animal has black and white stripes? B. Zebra. Which is the largest mammal? D. Blue whale. Which instrument has black and white keys? B. Piano. Which season is the coldest? D. Cold. Which fruit has seeds outside? C. Strawberry. Which animal carries baby in pouch? A kangaroo. Which animal is a reptile? C. Snake. Which is the largest land animal? B. Elephant. Which planet do we live on? C. Earth. Which star gives us light? B. Sun. Which animal says, meow? D. Cat. Which is a vegetable? C. Carrot. Which shape is round? C. Circle. Which country has a pyramid? B. Egypt. Which is a farm animal? C. Cow. Which is a flying vehicle? D. Aeroplane. Which color means stop? D. Red. Which animal has long trunk? B. Elephant. Which instrument do we hit? C. Drum. Which fruit is green outside and red inside? C. Watermelon. How many did you get it right? Comment below and write your score. For more videos like these, like and subscribe my channel Mindsaurus.